Rosent kasi ang bango-bango niya. Para bang kahit walang gana si Mr. na mag-bedtime, sexy time, ay siya sa iyong amoy.
You want to vlog with me? Di ako makapag-umpisa kasi ito naglalambing, nagpapakandong.
Love you like a crazy baby. Anyways, let's do this whole video. At ito yung nagagawa ng hindi ko pagpunta sa gym, yung hindi ko pag-gym kasi napapadalas ang pag-shopping ko. Before, for 3 years, I didn't really shop too much just because what I've been doing was
Dropping off the kids. Cutes, please. I'm okay. You don't need to worry about me.
Kasi for 3 years, ang ginagawa ko lang is ihatid ko yung mga bata sa school and then I have that 2 to 3 hours gap in between bago lumabas si Mikey. I have 3 hours to go to the gym. So I take 2 to 3 classes a day. Sometimes I do like 6-7 days a week. Ganun ako ka-active sa gym. At dahil ganun ang ginagawa ko, I don't have time to shop. So for 3 years, I wasn't really shopping for anything. Yung pag may kailangang damit lang for party, that's when I really go shopping. But nonetheless, I don't really go shopping. And now, I haven't been to the gym and I see myself starting to shop again. Nagalit si Honey. So let's begin with what I got from Sephora today. Gusto kong gawin ito as in kakabili ko lang kanina kasi pag hindi ko ginawa ito, magkakaligaw-ligaw na naman itong aking mga binili at hindi ako makakapag-whole video para sa inyo.
Nowadays, I'm investing more on my skin, so I buy more skincare products rather than makeup products kasi yung makeup pang ano lang yan pang kasalukuyan lang yan. Pag tinanggal mo na yung makeup mo, makikita na kung talaga yung ano yung itsura ng skin mo. That is why if you have a very nice skin, hindi ka matatakot na mawalan ng makeup kasi maganda ka pa rin or comfortable ka pa rin sa skin mo even without your makeup. So that's what I've been doing. I think I've been doing that for so many years kasi I do have a dry skin. I really take care of my skin. I am 41 years old. Yes. 41, and for me, my skin looks good. Even though some people like, you have wrinkles, you have eye bags. Of course I do. I'm getting old and I really get tired with the kids. That's why I've been getting all these eye bags. But really, I don't have them 3 years ago. But you know, that's how it is. It's, you know, aging process and all that. So let's begin, shall we? May paper pa chuchu si Sephora So kaka-release lang kasi nito. Ito yung pinunta ko talaga sa Sephora. Itong Way, yung ba yung pronunciation yan? Yung first release ng kanilang Way oil is yung hair care lang siya, but this time it's body oil. It's hair and body oil. So it's 2-in-1 kaya I like to invest on this one just because I love anything oil. It's good for my dry skin. It's good for aging skin. So you should go to Sephora and, you know, try this, smell it. It's like, anything with rose scent, talagang obsessed ako niyan. Talagang you can't go wrong with rose scent kasi ang bango-bango niya. Para bang kahit walang gana si Mr. na mag-bedtime, sexy time, ay siya sa iyong amoy. Ganon kasarap or ganon kabango ang amoy ng rose, lalo na pag sa oil base. So I love the smell. Of course, everything that I got, I love them. That's why I buy them. I'm not gonna keep something or I'm not gonna buy something I don't really like. It's just not me. Lalo na hindi naman libre yung aking mga pinapamili. Hindi libre yung mga makeup ko, yung mga skincare ko. So I just buy whatever I think I need and I want. Next item, by the way, binalik ko pala yung binili ko na Urban Decay na brown eyeliner in, I forgot what's the name of that one. But anyways, kasi nakita ko yung Marc Jacobs na highliner, as in highliner. Baka isipin ninyo, dahil kapampangan ako, wala akong age, dapat eyeliner. Pero highliner talaga ang pangalan niya. It's Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Crayon. Medyo mahal lang to kasi yung, I think yung Urban Decay, it's $18 to $20. And this one is $25. But, mas maganda ito kasi retractable po siya. Hindi ka na magtatasa. Tama ba yon? Sa Tagalog, yung pag ginaganon mo yung pencil kapag pudpud na, magtatasa, right? In English, sharpener. Hindi ka na magsha-sharpen ng pencil. At kapag nagsha-sharpen ka kasi, 'di ba, aminin nyo, yung ibang products na tatapon dun sa ano ba 'yon? pinagputulan. So, kalahati lang talaga yung nagagamit mo. So, buy makeup wisely. Sa mga ganito na eyeliner, bilhin nyo yung retractable kasi magagamit nyo yung lahat ng product. So, ayan, retractable siya. I forgot, bumabalik ba ito? Ay, bumabalik. Good. Kasi yung iba hindi bumabalik. So, it's this one. I got their Coco or Cocoa ang kanyang kulay na medyo may konting shimmer na konti lang, slight lang. I was gonna get the other one in brown out. Medyo yan may glitter siya. I think gamit ko yata siya ngayon kasi nag-swatch ako kanina. Brown out is yung may glitters and this one that I got is yung suot ko ngayon na walang glitters. So, brown lang siya talaga. And like what I said in my previous video, ayoko nang nagsusuot ng black eyeliner kasi nagmumukha akong raccoon kapag like yung may aattend na ng party or yung at the end of the day, napagod ka na, nag-crease na yung eyeliner mo, mukha ka ng panda or mukha ka ng raccoon or sa kakatawa mo ng sobra-sobra. Kasi pag ako natawa ng sobra-sobra, naiiyak talaga ako as in talagang nagmumukha akong raccoon. Ganon ako kabonggang tumawa. So, ito yon Marc Jacobs, I think it's, my goodness, ang konti lang pala niya. It's 0.5 grams. Ganun siya kakonti. But anyways, it's waterproof. So, it's better than the Urban Decay kasi yun, nagsha-sharpen ka pa eh. Sayang eh. So, I like this one better. At, di ba kaka-apply ko lang? So, ayan oh. Hindi siya natatanggal kagad. So, ayan yung suot ko. Kaninang umaga pa ito. And right now, it's already 5:30 ng hapon. And I probably applied this 12 p.m. Kasi pinick up ko si Mikey ng 11:30 and then we went there straight. So, mga 12 na iyon. So, yon ang pangalawang binili ko. And the next 3 items that I got is ito. Kasi na-curious ako, itong Sephora Mini Color Switch. Parang may nakita ako na makeup beauty guru na ginagamit ito na hindi ka na kailangang magpapalit-palit or magwa-wash palagi ng brush mo. Lalo na pag sa eyeshadow, you know, simple swipe lang and then you can use the same brush with a different color of eyeshadow. So magagawa ako ng review nito. We'll see how it works. At kung totoo ba, dahil pag hindi totoo, ibabalik ko na naman ito. Alam nyo ako, pag hindi ako nasatisfied sa mga products, talagang binabalik ko yan. Dahil, hindi naman ako namumulot ng pera. Ang mga pera na pinambibili ko ng makeup, ay pinaghihirapan ko po. I make tocino, longganisa, pastillas, yemas, burong isda, just to, you know, feed my splurging habit. Yon. So, yun. And next one that I got, alam nyo, hindi na naman ako nagpo-false eyelash. Pero, nagustuhan ko ito kasi mura siya. It's from Sephora. It's their 3 eyelash or I got the Astonish Last Trio. Parang mas maganda ito. Kasi gusto ko yung mas mahaba yung sa may outer corner kesa dun sa pare-pareho ng length na mahaba. I think yung celebrity na lash nila parang ganun lahat. So I like this one. And kailan kaya ako pupunta ng party or magka-clubbing para naman masubukan ko itong isuot? And next product that I got, it's really important to me, lalong-lalo na nasira ang aking buhok, nagka-damage sa aking pagbi-bleach a year ago. And right now, pinagsisisihan ko, but then it's, sabi nga nila, nasa huli ang pagsisisi. At, I got another also product from Quay, and it's their Quay, ay my goodness, thin. Actually, iba-iba ito eh. Iba-ibang klase ng hair supplements yung binibenta nila. But I picked the one in thin, yung hair thinning. Kasi sa palagay ko, at nakikita ko naman, look, konting-konti na lang yung buhok ko. Sobrang nag-thin yung buhok ko. Sobrang andaming natanggal after kong magpa-bleach ng buhok. So, I wanna try their hair supplements. At sabi ng crew dun sa Sephora na she heard na many customers like this one at maganda yung review and talagang it's really working daw, it's really worth it. Sabi niya, I can't wait for you to try it and see the result. Yun ang sabi niya. So I said, I hope so. Sana kumapal na nga. But then, you can't really see the result right away. You have to wait, of course, couple more months dahil supplements yan. Hindi naman, lalo na buhok, hindi naman bigla-biglang iinom ka nito ng 1 week and after the second week, boom, may buhok ka na, diba? So, I'm gonna update you guys on how this one works. So, it's this one, I need supplements, tumatanda na ako, part na rin siguro ng aging process yan na ninipis yung buhok mo, and wag lang ako makalbo, please. So, yan na naman ang na-shop ni Hot Mom sa Sephora and somewhere else. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye! If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so, and thumbs up for this video if you guys want to see more of my shopping, makeup, I don't know, talking.
Practice bra, para pag mga ganito yung mga suot mo, yung tipong kita yung bra, so kailangan maganda yung bra mo, hindi yung nangingitim.